Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today. Before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So, who's ready for the market? We got GXAI jumped in the pre-market, it's pulling back right now, looking all right. We got BHAT, the same, jumping around the 4 or almost 5 cents. We got AIBO testing the current resistance around the 86. It might have a nice jump for today. Helm as well doing all right. Have huge news and phase three have announcement. Yeah, phase two signal detection study for anxiety disorder. So they have news coming up. So I'm watching it closely. It's pulling back now. It was up in the pre-market almost 35% reverse big time. So we're watching for another reversal. Silver is pulling back, yes, for today. It look interesting for today to watch silver either for a short position or long. It is consolidating sideways now. AVGO had earnings yesterday, guys. Did really good in the pre-market and after hours, but now we got a little bit of pullback, testing a major support. This one could be good for today to watch, guys. Did a really good reversal here from the 330. We have a bit of pullback for the market because yesterday we did a nice jump. Today we have a correction for B. It's correcting down toward the 158. Intel the same, found a bit of resistance around the 46. Okay, we're gonna bring AVGO to the list. E coin. There's GXAI pulling back. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. Good morning. Good morning, Richie. Always number one here. Thank you for the support, brother. So, we got, let me just check your question, guys. We got IBOGXAI, good military news. Yes, exactly. Smash the like button, everybody. Thank you for the reminder, Richie. AEHL look like it's starting to go with a huge green candle. I will check it. AEHL. Interesting. I think have a reverse split. So it is a bit dangerous because I think it got reverse split. Let's see here. 1 to 6. Yes, reverse split, brother. News of reverse split. So it looked okay if it held the gap here over the $2.34 would be great. Have a seller right now to confirm, are we gonna have a jump and a squeeze or not, which is around the $2.88. If we don't break this level, it mean it will be red day for AEHL. For now is a bit weak, still weak for today. IBO, I think we got a little breakout before the market open, but I don't trust those breakout before the open, guys, because they are on light volume. But so far so good because we do a new high. I'm gonna update the support at the market open over the 79 for this one. Yeah, have a really good breakout here in pre-market 1 hour before the market open. David, TTD. I will check it for you right now. Before the market open, we got 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes left at the market open. Okay, 24% up. Why? I think we got some news and earning before. So OpenAI engaged in discussion with the trade desk regarding potential sale of advertisement. Yes, 24% at this news, but yeah, last earnings went down in last month. We went down almost 20%. If you remember, guys, trade desk was down 20%. Yes, and I was thinking about buying the dip the next day after the huge jump, 25th, Thursday after that market open, we have a big buyer and we held the buying pressure. So it took almost 6 days, yeah, but it did a really great reversal here. Technically, we were up 50%, man. Unbelievable. Guys, this is really rare to have this kind of reversal in just 1 week from bad earnings, from flush 20%. Now it's 24% up. Yes, so trade disk have a potential to squeeze more. And I think we have a big buyer today around the 28. So yes, brother, looking interesting. 24, but it's getting near a resistance now, around 32. But yeah, 50%, man. 50% in the span of 1 week. This is madness. Yeah, we might test this resistant and then flush down. So it's getting risky. Maybe another 4% for it. So I'm gonna keep it on the watch list here. If pulled back would be good for a dip. You know what? We got other levels I think is better here. Okay, this is a better short actually. Yeah, I think silver is going down big. I'm gonna put another alert just in case. Yeah, today we might have another pullback for silver. Good morning, Santuch. Why MLBX? I think is not jumping a lot. Okay, I think it didn't hit my scan. But yeah, it jumped pretty nicely here, 26%. But I think it's a bit too late for it. We have a seller around the $1.10. So if we broke the seller, it might go higher. If we didn't, we might have a pullback. But yeah, it's look good, MLPX. IBGO, as we said, guys, have earnings yesterday after hours. We already discussed it yesterday on our Discord. We discussed the entry for it for our hunters. We said the 322.64 is the breakout zone. Profit taken is around the 335.82. We held the 307.44, which was our support, and we reversed from this level and hit our profit taken around 336.20 yesterday after hours. This one was good, guys. Again, the swing trade we always do on our Discord and Patreon, everybody. The link comes section below for daily updates. The swing trade, we don't do it every day because it depends on the good play. We need to have a good setup to make the trade. So if there's no good setup, we don't do the trade. Simple as that. Silver, I'm still waiting for silver to test the bottom here again around the 81. IBO is pulling back. Before the resistance, the 93, we went until the 89. We have a bit of weakness before the market open. Help, need help here. We have a little reversal. Before the market open, it did a really good jump reversal here, 35% from the 650. So I'm watching it for another reversal up for today. Good morning, Sam. MTEK, MT. Let's check this one out. Wow. Yes, indeed. Skyrocketing. But a bit risky now after this huge jump. Have a strong support over the 2.23 now. Yeah, it's a bit risky after this jump. So we got help on the main list with IBO, GXAI. Those the main unicorn for today. I'm watching it closely. GXAI is pulling back a lot. I'm a bit worried about this one, but I would be more worried if we broke the 171. So currently it is good. I'm gonna lower the resistance for it now around this level, the $2.11. Huge seller residing over there, sleeping, having a nap around the 211. AVGO is still going down. Holy baloney. Still going down to the depths. We have a strong support for APGO to hold over the 324.37. If we broke it, will be game over, from my opinion. If we held it, will be game on. So we might dip another 1%. Yeah. Let us see. We got David. The market is about to open, so it will be hard for me to check the stock for now, but I will check it very quick. Not good. Okay, let us go to the main event. Help have a lot of action now. I'm watching it closely because have a chance for a reversal from this dip. Have some news actually. I'm watching this one because have the phase 3 pivot program in MDD. This one is approach study to yeah, we got a study on the placebo arm and extension study to allow to respond to two studies. Yeah, so we got the phase 3 pivot. So as everybody knows, after phase 3, this is will be a huge pivot for the drug approval, and of course, FDA approval, and of course, mass selling for their the drug. So this is a an interesting time because Helb already discussed it before. Once the price was lower around, yeah, it was around this area. I think last year around the 580, and now we'll revisit this level again. We have a huge buyer for it early on in the pre-market after this dip, and now there's a another huge chance for a reversal. As we said, we have phase 3 study is still undergoing, and we have the other thing is, yes, we got the market size for behavioral health market by the billion increasing in 2000 to 35 should be almost 349 billion. So you see the market size is going, even 2025 is 184 and 2026 this year is 197 and double, almost double by the 2035. So we got this pharmaceutical company doing all right in the preparing for accumulation zone over the 580. So I'm watching it closely for a reversal. So we got, let me just check. Yeah, silver is trying to break the 83, but we didn't. AVGO, it might reverse here. So I'm watching it closely. We have a huge pullback for B. It might reverse here. We'll see. Coinbase reverse from the support. Palantir. Yeah, we got the market is a bit bearish today, especially for AVGO because kind of broke the support here. Coinbase is still strangely strong. My bio, we got a pullback. Interesting. We got a nice buyer for silver here. Yeah, APGO is struggling here to reverse. We got a chance for reversal right now for help. As we said, we got phase 3 drug for this one. And FDA approval is imminent, so I'm watching it for reversal. It already reversed in the pre-market, guys, almost 35%. So I'm watching it for another 30%, maybe even 25%. It look really undervalued right now around those prices. Now it's 24. The volume is picking up around the almost 1 million. So watching help closely. GXAI got shorted around the 211. AVGO pulling back. B trying to go up. Coin is still up. Intel still up. Palantir, I think we got a breakout here. Yeah, we got a huge buyer right now for help. Watch out. Wow, we got a trick from the market maker for silver. Price pulling back now. Yeah, too risky now. GXAI, I think we got a breakout. Um, AVGO trying to reverse, but no luck yet. GXAI, yes, we got our little breakout, but on light volume. So I'm a bit worried about this breakout. So I'm gonna put a bit of support just in case over the 196. AVGO really weak for today. It might continue this drop. If we broke this level, man, this mean we're gonna have a huge red day for AVGO. It's like what happened for Nvidia, going green, then going red. Yeah, I think we're gonna go red. Yeah, the market gave me some mixed signals here. We still got mixed signals. Coin go up, then go down until the same. Palantir, the same. Kind of have a breakout. Now it's pulling back. Yeah, I think we got a seller to break here for Bloom around the 161.78. Otherwise, we might continue to go down today. Yeah, rough market today, guys. We got a rough market. I'm saying rough because we don't have decision. We got a pump, then pull back. We don't have a confirmation. Also, we got a good reversal here. Yeah, the same for GXAI. I think we got seller around the 230. Be careful, GXAI. We got a pullback, huge pullback from the 230. Yeah, a seller came in for GXAI. Yeah, trading desk hit the 32 as we discussed. I think we did a short update here. We said the 32.55 is the major resistance. Yeah, we said there's a strong resistance around the 32.60. And as you see here, guys, we hit the 32.90 and we pulled back. So it was good trade for exiting from this one. Now, if we broke the 31, is mean we might have a huge pullback as well down toward maybe the 29 and 27. Wow, DHAT did a really great job of hitting our profit taken, and now it's pulling back. Might have a hold up here around the 4. If we did, would be good. This one, take it from the list. Yeah, undecision. The market's still undecided, especially for silver. We have kind of a liquidity trap here. Okay, VGO starts to reverse. Interesting. Are you kidding me? Bloom is blooming. Yeah, I think we got a bit of direction now. The market is correcting up, especially for Bloom. It's going toward the green side. Intel, the same. Think we got a buyer over this support, the 45. We have a pullback now. Another pullback. Palantir is a bit strong now. Intel is a bit weak. B found a bit of seller. Yeah, watching for B for reversal here. Anyway, MTEK skyrocketing. NVIDIA break above. Yeah, there's a bit red. GXAI is pulling back, brother. Help, still need help around those territory. Yeah, it's testing an interesting bottom here. BHAT did really good reversal now over the 4. AVGO did nice reversal as well here, 2%. Palantir trying to go up. Yeah, I don't trust AVGO here. Support is kind of shabby. Yeah, Palantir looking strong now. Let's see if Palantir continue over the 155.29. We have a level, we might go toward around the 157 if everything went smoothly. But the volume, I don't like it that much on Palantir. B is a bit dangerous, but it moves fast. You see, Palantir is really toxic. It's not smooth. Yeah, it's not smooth. Nothing much here for silver. BH80, one of the unicorn, have a huge seller around the 6 and a big buy around the 4. So it's kind of consolidating sideways.
Intel is going up really good. B is kind of dangerous here. Let's see, GXAI trying again up. We're gonna put it on the main list. Training disk broke the support here. Beyond Meat still is reading green. Intel is going. How much we did here? Interesting. Intel is doing fantastic. Okay, guys, this is it for now. We have to wrap up our live streaming for today. We got 10% right now. Yes. Why not watch moving stocks? Yes, we're watching everything. So we watch swing trade and the rest of the stocks. Intel doing all right. I'm watching Intel toward the 46.96. Maybe will be good around this level. So Intel did the really great breakout from the 45.82. We got Coinbase is pulling back. Palantir did good, but have a bit of struggle here. B is pulling back. I think we got a big seller around this level. We got AVGO. AVGO did all right, but yeah, did really good reversal here. Really good reversal. Yeah, watching AVGO guys for a huge reversal now. Testing a major resistance now around 335.98. Yeah, unexpected reversal actually. Is putting back. Yeah, AVGO tricked me really good because I was expecting a reversal just over the 324, but it reversed from the 323. 324, yeah, just $1. Yeah, good lesson. You are welcome, Richie. You are welcome. Anyway, guys, we have to do another update on our Discord later on.
to discuss the market in depth and of course updates the chart for the day trade stocks and swing trade stocks. In the meantime, stay humbled and let the price come to you and never run after the price. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you all back.